What's up, guys? We're here with another video. Today we're doing a road trip to Houston, so we're just setting up the trunk a little bit. But yeah, this is my first time taking the car on a somewhat of like a road trip after I've lowered it. I've taken it to Houston. I've taken it to Dallas once when Texas 2K happened. And yeah, that's about the only time that I've taken it, really. I think 3 should be good. Put this right here. Alright guys, now we're on the road. We're finally on the road. It's about 11:48. We are going 64 miles an hour in the right lane because, and everyone's flying past me and trying to cut me off, bro. Like, go ahead. It's just some bullshit because, like, I'm lowered now, and like these roads going into Houston are honestly so fucking bad. So this is what I gotta do. Yeah, but I'm about to put my phone up and give you a little bit of a POV drive the rest of the way. And yeah, this is gonna be my first ever like POV drive with the camera set up. So let me know what y'all think about it. All right, guys, I'll see y'all. Why you gotta come over into my lane? Like, I just don't understand. The whole left lane is damn open, and they want to come into my lane. Yo, this dude's on my fucking ass, bro. Get the fuck off my ass. Look at this dude, bro. Fucking idiot. Go ride your bike, you piece of shit. Look, we made it to Houston, finally. It took like 3 hours. We left at like 11. It's like almost 2:30. But yeah, we finally made it to Houston. Damn, fucking traffic, bro. Oh my god. That dude was about to hit me from my fucking ass, bro. What the fuck are these people doing, bro? Why are you so damn impatient, dog? Just wait. It's really not that fucking deep, bro. You're only gonna get to your destination like 2 minutes faster. Some people just have no fucking brain. It blows me away. roads this bad in Austin, I swear. Like this shit, oh, what the fuck, bro? Like my whole car is vibrating because of the damn road. It's like, like what the fuck? Y'all hear this? Like, look. Like that's the concrete, bro. Like that's some black ass concrete. But yeah, we got downtown to our left, and then I don't know what the fuck this bullshit is on our right. But I hate coming through downtown Houston. This shit is honestly ass. So like the way we're going like down towards Galveston. So the issue is like 45 is the highway that only goes down, and it's like nice and smooth somewhat, to the point where like my car can make it. If I take like this other road, it's like called 269 or some shit, bro, that road has dips every 10 feet, and I'm not exaggerating. It's actually like bad. I probably can't even count the amount of people I've pissed off from these two hands. Just because I'm like going 45 in a 60. But they gotta understand, like I'm going up and down, like the fuck? It's like don't. Such bullshit. Look at this Tesla, bro. Oh shit. That should look kind of badass. And what the fuck is this dude doing, bro? Like you ain't all that, brother. It's either I do the single next year or get another car. So I don't know. What do y'all think? Should I single this car or should I get another car? Like obviously I'd keep this car, but in addition to this car, do y'all want to see like any kind of car? I've been thinking about like a SUV or a truck, but if none of those play out, if I want to get something cheap, bro, I'd probably end up getting like a Supra, an A90. I mean, you can't go wrong with the B58, you know? Like, I'll do downpipe tune and some carbon fiber all around, lower it, put some nice wheels on it, and it should be good, mint. Ooh, look at this. What do y'all think about that e-tron GT that just passed? I don't think y'all can see it, but just a little bit. Just a little bit. Back to the bad road. Why are you braking, brother? So we're about to pass NASA. It's gonna be on the left side. I'll show you guys if y'all never been to NASA. Hey Houston, we have a problem. They call here. It's crazy. Does that not blow your guys' mind that like we have people in space right now and they can talk to us through like the phone basically? I don't even know. Like how does that even exist? You know what I mean? They're so damn far away. It's crazy. almost had an astronaut dude. It's pretty fire. So look, this right here, guys, is the Space Center. All this on this left side. You should see like a little rocket ship right there. You'll see that? I should come back here one day and do some reels next to these planes while I'm here. Hell yeah, I'm gonna do that actually. So that's like the visitor portion, and this side is like the actual current working side, like where people are actively talking to the astronauts. It's crazy. And doing like side quests or whatever they call it. Fake ass Shelby, bro. That shit's up badged. Si, senor. This is fire. Look at this hotel, guys. That's just badass with the palm trees and shit. And it's like right on the water too. Like y'all are gonna see the water right here. Y'all see the water? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, look at the water, bro. Look how dirty it is. That's just like brown. Ew. And then that's like a condo building right there or something. Craters. Damn, I gotta watch out for these roads, bro. Shit's actually bad. Break someone's neck with these intakes. Who has their windows down? If they hear this shit, they're gonna be like, yo, what the fuck was that? Anyone have their windows down? No one? wish I had a boat. Should I tow a boat with this M3? That would be badass. A red boat, a Molo red boat. Shit, I might as well get an M8 or an M5 at that rate. That shit's a boat. Or a Hellcat. Certified boat. That's low-key sus, bro. Yeah, that shit's just off. What the fuck? Listen.
Sleep.
He wants to play.